Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the date functions in Excel. So here are the different date functions mentioned in the list: day, month, year, date, and today. So these are the five date functions we are going to learn over here. So a simple data is given. A simple date of birth of an employee is mentioned in a particular cell. So here this cell is given and we are going to extract day, month and year from this given date of birth. Okay, so first we are going to see the day function over here. The usage of a day function is that it returns the day of the month from the date in a cell. Okay, so whatever may be the date is given in a particular cell, so it will extract the day from that date. Similarly, month will also do the same. It will return the month from the date in a given cell. So whatever maybe the cell is there and the whatever maybe the date is mentioned in that cell, so it will return the month from that date. The third one is the year. It will returns the year from the date in a cell. So here we are going to see the syntax of these three date functions. So first day into the bracket serial number. Here serial number you can consider the cell references in which the date is given or mentioned. Similarly the month and year also. Month you have to write the month, after that bracket open, then serial number or the cell reference in which the date is mentioned and the bracket close. Similarly for the year also. So here we are going to see the example is equal to, we are going to use the day function, day into the bracket serial number or cell reference in which we are going to mention the above cell reference in which the date of birth of an employee is given. So this is the 2 October 1990 and the cell reference is E8. So here we are going to close the bracket. Now it will return the day of a particular date. So day is a 2. Okay, so it will return 2. So you have seen the, it will return a 2 from this given date. Similarly, the month is equal to month into the bracket. Again, we have to mention the serial number or the cell reference. So we are going to mention the cell reference over here. Cell reference is given and we are going to press the enter. So it will return the 10th. The October is the 10th month. Okay, so that's why it returns the 10. Then is equal to year, it will returns the year, it's 1990. The cell reference we have to be mentioned, that is E8. It's given, bracket close, and we are going to press the enter over here. So it returns the 1990. So you have seen the day, month and year, it will returns the particular day, month and year from a given date. Okay, so you can see that it will return the respective day, month and year from a particular given date of birth of an employee. Next, the date function is there. The date function returns the day for May 21, 2020. You can replace the year, month and day values with the cell reference or calculations. Okay, so today's date is 21 May 2023. So that's why it's mentioned over there. But if you are going to manually enter the year, month and day, it will return the particular date for that entered day. So here we are going to enter is equal to date into the bracket year. Suppose we are going to consider today's date 2023, comma month is the 5th, that is May, comma today's date is 21st, bracket close, and if we are going to press enter it will convert it to the date. So 5 sorry 21st May 2023. Okay, you can also take the cell reference for year, month and day as well. So again here we are going to see the above example. So I am going to again enter it is equal to, in above example I am going to re-enter the cell references, is equal to date. We are going to enter the cell references from the above output. For year we are going to mention the cell reference E11 comma, for month E10 comma, day we are going to mention the E9, bracket close, and we are going to press the enter. So it will give us the 2 October 1990. Okay, so it will return the date as well. Then today function. Today function will returns the current date. Whatever may be the today's date, it will be returned by the today function. So here we are going to press is equal to today into the bracket. You don't have to pass anything into the bracket, just you have to write down the today and the function symbol, that is open bracket and close bracket. We don't have to pass any argument into that function, and we are going to just press enter, so it will return the current date. So it will return the current date as 21st May 2023. Okay, so I hope you have understand the date functions in Excel. If you have more if you require more functions from the more date functions, you can please comment below. Okay, and please like my video, share my video, and like my YouTube channel. Thank you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much.